So a trip back to the gun store. Daniel Defense. Kalishnikov. Draco. I don't really see nothing I like. One thing I always wanted to get me was a 380, very small compact pistol. This one here is pretty nice. I like that one. It's a Ruger LCP Max, $419. I think that's probably can find a better price for it, but I'm gonna just keep browsing. But definitely want to get me a pocket pistol. That one there is pretty nice. But Nelly is nice. $2,200. Nice revolver. I've been wanting to get me one of these, just not one that's expensive. Probably a 357. One that also shoots 38 special. Pretty nice though. Nice and expensive. Not really my type of gun, but they're nice. I would like to have a 357 5-shot. They don't have it. Hope you can see it. That's a 43X. Pretty nice. So I'm browsing ammunition. It's M80, 149 grain. Society is misbehaving. All right, so I just got out of the gun store and I decided to pick up some ammunition, you know, just to add to my collection of ammunition, but I wanted some defense ammunition. So I seen this Sig Sauer. I like Sig. Sig is name brand. So I went with this V-Crown 124 grain plus P jacketed hollow point. So let's take a look here. Not bad at all. Not bad. I haven't bought ammunition in a long time, so go ahead and grab that. You know, society's misbehaving. I wanted to add this to the collection. Big guns and pistols. Thanks for watching. Peace.